What's up, guys? It's your boy Colton Jones here. And in today's video, I'm actually making another shout out. I'm sorry for the second one. It was kind of crap and pissed y'all off. Pissed y'all off really bad. So, yeah. Okay. I'm actually gonna put these guys' links in the description below. Okay, the first one is Archimedes 2003. I'm gonna put him in the link in the description below. And this guy's pretty cool. Yeah. But he made a video today. Me and him were collabing, and everything happened. It was pretty fun. We played Flip Dive. A Shakespeare. It was pretty fun and stuff. And he was he didn't even let me play. He let me play one time. Right? Yeah, wasn't fair. He cheated. And okay, now on to the second person, Hex Vortex. He knew him over 9 years, so please suck to him. And how to be in the shout out series, comment below, subscribe to the people, and I'll check you out. And text Colton Jones or CJ the DJ sent me. And could win 20 subs, I don't know. And last but not least is my friend named Colton Stars. I don't know his YouTube channel, but I'll go on there, put in the link description, and yeah, this is in the video. Hashtag pop pills. So yeah, see you in the video, and peace out.